Hey everybody, Mike here with another video, Mike's Computer Tips. When you build a custom built system, make sure you get the right parts. You can go to PC Parts Picker and they will configure the right parts for your build.